Navigate in Feastock Varsity student portal using your laptop.
Your username, then this is where you put your password. You can see, so this is my password, and then you say login. So remember, we're using the laptop. I have created another video for anyone who is learning by the phone. Remember, you have two options. You can learn either by phone, or you can learn either by using a laptop. So this is how it will look like once you log in. So right now you can see on your top right, on your left corner, there's the dashboard. So you can just click on the dashboard and see how the dashboard looks like. So this is Welcome Hannah. Then you can see my tutors. What are some of the courses that I had registered for? Let me just enlarge my screen. So these are some of the courses that I had registered for. You can see under the course details the FBCS. This is the courses I told you I'd registered for. Then next is the lessons. So once I click on lessons, I will see where I'm supposed to view my lesson. So this tab for view COL 001 lesson. So I'll click on that. So what if I wanted to download my notes for lesson 1? Because this is how your lessons would be looking like. So you'll come here to read notes on this lesson. Then you click here, how to complete your personal profile. So that is the lesson. So click that. If I click that, I'll be able to access the notes on. So lesson 1 is about how to complete your profile, personal details. So that is lesson 1. If I wanted to go to lesson 2, I'll click on next lesson here. Then you can see this is lesson 2. It's talking about how to register for units. So this course is about someone who wants to learn how to use digital learning, online learning. So if I want to download the notes, I'll just click here. So you can hover down and see. So same case applies to any other unit you are doing online meetings. This is whereby if maybe you want to have a meeting with your tutor, maybe you don't have access to their WhatsApp number, you can raise a meeting or via support. Support is when you raise a ticket. Maybe you want to ask a query or you want to ask a question. So this is where you'll be forming your meetings or asking for guidance. Then there's a place for upcoming exams. So for upcoming exams, for example, I want to see the exams I have here. Remember, for Feastock Varsity, we provide 2 cards for you. There's one final exam, and of course, we do give assignments. So this is where you'll come to check if you have any upcoming exam. Maybe I can look if there's an exam. I have an upcoming exam. Yes. So for example, I chose COT. This is Certified Online Learner. I have one card, another card. So those are 2 cards and one final exam. If I wanted to attempt, I click there. There's a place for attendance. And so this one is for a trainer. Then, of course, there are performance and downloads. So for performance and downloads is where you go and check about your student ID. For example, I have mine here. This is how my student ID card looks for Feastock Varsity. You can download it. And then there's performance report review. For example, you can see not yet been graded for this specific COT course. So once I attempt it, I will get my report. Then if I'm done with my COT, then of course, as a course certified online trainer, I can download my certificate through my student portal. Then there's the industry jobs, their jobs and applications. Remember, for Feastock, we offer jobs. We also offer jobs for our students abroad. So that is another video I'll make on how maybe you can apply. Then there's the support. Support is maybe you have a query, so you can raise a ticket here. Maybe you click on new ticket, select the recipient, maybe the tutor, and then the subject. For example, you want to be assisted on maybe, or you want to have a class. So you say have a class, and then you will describe maybe kindly can we hold a class? Kindly can we hold a class at 9 a.m. today? Then you say create. So our admins will see, and then they will tell the tutor to hold a class with you. Or maybe if you have any other question or query. Then you have payments. So under payments, you can view payments. So payments is the total payments are made. For example, for this particular course, which is certified online trainer, I applied for this course. So I paid 3,575, remaining 10,000. Remember, most of our courses you can pay. All our courses we allow you to pay in installment, and that's a chance. Why not take that course? Then you pay in installment. Then, so under this one for the account, remember we're still in the student portal and we are using a laptop. So under this one, you can view your profile. Remember, I want to see my profile. This is my profile. This is my gender, whatever. You see. Then maybe I want to edit this profile. For example, I might have changed my number. I will come here and change it. Remember, I want to reach you as a Finstock, so you can change your number here. Or let's say you want to change your email. This is where you change, and then you can even go ahead and want to change your password. So how do you change your password? You click on that, you write an old password. So you have to remember the old password, the new password, then you save. Then I believe assignments, maybe I want to upload. I did not explain how you upload your assignment. So you click on assignment, click here, then you hover down. So for example, you've done the assignment on a Word document. You'll come here and say upload now. So you can either choose to paste your assignment here, or you can choose to upload it from your laptop and PC. So that is how it looks like. I believe I've shown you how to raise a ticket. So that's it. So kindly enroll for any course
and start your e-learning journey.